Hi everyone and welcome back to Diaries of an Organic Grower. Now, I'm under a new structure. If you want to know more about that, I'll tell you about it in just a second. But what I wanted to do today was just let you know that I finally, after quite a few months, published my first ever book all about organic growing. It's called From Seed to Table and it's the Diaries of an Organic Grower. And basically what it does is it gives you, in an easy format to follow, the guiding principles of how to be an organic grower. It's very, very simple. It's dead easy to do. We can all do it and we should all do it. You can get a copy in 3 different ways. First of all, go onto Amazon and you can buy it via Kindle, or you can get it in a paperback version. Choice is entirely up to you. But you can also get a free copy, and you get that by joining us on the Substack. Now, quite a few will already know that I'm moving a lot of my content now onto that platform, and simply because it's a lot more flexible for me and I can do everything under one umbrella. Whereas here, I have to do a YouTube video, but you can't interact with any of that except leave a comment. And I'd like you to share your photos. So Substack is the place to be. Now, with the Substack, you get a weekly newsletter, and also you get the Digging Deeper series every Wednesday, where I look into theories in a bit more depth than is otherwise available. So if you want to head over to sadams589.substack.com, and I'll throw a link down below. Subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It's absolutely free to do. And then you'll download your copy of the book straight away. Other things on the Substack will include things like this new structure and what it's all about. Now, this isn't going to be on YouTube, but it will be over on the Stack. So head over. Like I say, it doesn't cost you anything to do. You get a free copy of the book and you get to know what this is all about. I'll see you soon, but for now, take care.